Hello there, I hope you are well. In this video, I will show you how to verify your domain in Meta Business Suite, and this is applicable for Shopify users only. So let's get started. Here is my Meta Business settings, and then we should scrolling down and click domain, and then we need to create a new domain. Okay, 1 second. Just go to my client website and then go to online store. Okay, so I just view my website. So this is my website URL. Just copy it and paste over here and remove this. Okay, so I just add my domain, but still it's not verified, so we need to verify. So verifying the domain, we need to copy the code, this code, and paste the code on the header section of the website. So I just copy the code and go to Shopify, and then we go to the theme and then click three dot, then edit code. Okay, so then theme.liquid, and then we can put the code in the head section and then save. So just go back and then go to Meta Suite again and click verify the domain. Okay, so after add the code, I think we should wait few hours to verify it. So that's all. So this is the process to verify the domain for Shopify, and after verify the domain, you can tag the product on Instagram. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you need any kind of help related domain verification, please contact with me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.